You know those two shuttles that went into space in the 70s? Voyager? You know what they got on there? An album. It's full of sounds, languages, music. They're hoping that somebody's gonna find it, right? And that they'll listen to this LP that shows what it's like to live here on Earth.
No one's gonna find it.
Why would you say that?
Come on. Think of the odds. Anyway, it's not gonna make any difference.
How would you know?
We'll say somebody or something does find it. They won't know how to play a record.
There are instructions, remember?
Instructions that make sense to us, to scientists, whatever. It's a waste of time. If humans want to explore, they should start right here. For instance, take the octopus. The octopus has a brain that goes all the way from its head down to its tentacles. The tentacles themselves decide where to go, how to move. They're free. 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 An octopus can pour itself through any hole bigger than its eye. That's cooler than any stupid alien.
But don't you want to know if there's something out there?
I don't even understand what's here. Out there, it's like we're walking down a dark hallway with a tiny flashlight. It's pointless.
You know what I think about when I think about the record and all that stuff? A girl. A little girl walking on the beach. She opens up our box of junk like little birthday presents. Wouldn't that be amazing? Maybe it's not about finding something, you know? Maybe it's about looking and being okay with being small. Looking is good, isn't it?